Welcome, I'm Micah, the cosplayer seamstress. Today we're going to be doing the hair for the Wendy's logo cosplay. But before that, remember to like the video and subscribe to the channel. For the iconic pigtail look, I'm going to need a stick to part my hair with, elastic bands that match my hair. I will be using this middle one. I got these from Walmart for about $3. The hair ribbons that we made on the accessories video. If you haven't checked that out, I will link it above. And finally, I will need some hairspray. I will be using She's a Tease from Not Your Mother's. I got this from Walmart for about $7. I'm going to start by parting my hair. Now on the top of her head, Wendy does not have an even part. It's slightly to the left. So I will begin slightly to the left, but pull it back towards the center, down the back of my head, so that the two pigtails are mostly even. Once I have parted the hair, I will begin putting the first round of hair ties in. These should be close to the scalp, almost directly below the ears. This will keep the pigtails in place. I will do this on both sides. Next, I will place the second round of hair ties. These will be about a hand's length away from the first. Then I will do a process called pancaking or bubbling. I will pull on the sides of the pigtails, creating full bubble shapes with the hair. I will do this on both sides. Then I will spray this all over with the hairspray. Finally, I will clip the ribbons into my hair, making sure the bow is pointed out. Congratulations, you have the complete hairstyle. This is what it looks like with the dress. If you would like to see how I made the dress, check out the Wendy's playlist on my channel. Now that you have the hair, you are ready for the makeup. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. See you on the next project!